Mr. Chairman.
That's adequate.
What are you talking about? Seat? Savage! God, does that look mean?
It looks mean, but it's slow to last.
But that's not the point.
2 miles per hour. Yeah, it takes 10 years to get there, but that's all right.
When the car looks this good, it doesn't have to be
I
fast.
just need my Uzi. Trust me, this thing was really hard to find. Check this out. look how nerdy I am.
Oh no, this is awesome. This is all the stuff I wish
Check.
I had from my
Watch
car.
this. Look at this. So, 2-car owner, lived its life in New Jersey, then went to York. These are original 17-inch OZ Futura AMG Aero 3-piece wheels. So they're original. What's that? There we go. Oh, because we had the transmission change, the oil change. This is a true complete Zender Body Kit. Every kit is stamped.
Wow.
So there's that. It's actually stamped in each one, so you'll see it underneath. That's why it's all the fender flares. You can't go more than 17 because
Why would you? It's just cool.
I wanted the spacers
It
to
looks
come out,
tucked.
but you would have to rub this.
Well, you put a space, you can put a wheel spacer. It's not like it.
Yeah, maybe. Everything here is
Hunter,
original.
we'll find wheel spacers.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Right?
Look at this. Look at the interior.
Look how clean.
It's amazing.
That's all original.
And if you do like some leather restoration, it'll look brand new.
I haven't even tried
So
it.
this is a.
The point is, it can be restored.
87.
So this is the scary thing. So I'm Jewish, okay, and I used to go. Yeah, exactly. So I used to go to what's called conclaves. We belong to Jewish youth groups. I used to belong to one called TBC, Temple Beth Shalom Youth, and it was part of SNFTY, which was Central New York Federation of Temple Youth. And one conclave I went to was in Syracuse. And this is the first time I'd ever stayed at really rich people's houses. And what they do is all the kids go over to the house, they stay there, they sleep over, and then they go do stuff at the synagogue. Basically, and I hate to say it, but a lot of that stuff was just more so we can all just fraternize together in different ways, but that's okay. So the mom had this car. No joke, this car. And it was literally brand new. I mean, it was an 80. It wasn't 86, but it was the same model. Nothing really changed. It was the craziest thing because I remember sitting in the back and watching the windshield do its thing. Because this has the mono wiper. Does it have a mono wiper?
This has a mono wiper? I didn't know about that.
Look at it. See the seats?
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's just like mine. You're missing the. Is this the head?
No, it's got the duals.
Oh, this was dual? I don't know. I haven't even tried.
No, but it's got this. It's got the way it's done. It's not like if you look at it, it's kind of cool. See, they're double stacked on each other.
Yeah.
Very different. The way the wipers work, and it had the cool, of course, the headlight washers.
Yep.
And windshield wipers or headlight wipers.
So I purchased this. This is the clear Euro.
Yeah.
So look at all the upgrades here, right? So we did a one-step paint correction, ceramic coating, all the fluids have been flushed and cleared. Your neighbor's like, another one?
Yeah, no, they're totally used to it. Are you kidding me?
So you can drive this daily. All the fluids, including the transmission oil, coolant, transmission engine, rear seal, power steering, everything's been done. New radio head unit.
You did all this?
No, my mechanics at my shop. We service vans, but
Yeah.
we said, hey, if we can service vans, you can service this
Right,
car.
right.
And it's kind of easy to still get the parts. We got some parts from AutoZone for the rotors because
Yeah,
they're all the same.
they're not. It's not horrible.
Right. So it's got new rotors, new engine mounts, new tie rods, new fan clutch, batteries, spark plug wires, intake pipe, air filters, vacuum hoses, head cover gaskets, European tail headlights, new taillights in the back because it was faded when we got it.
Got it. Yep.
And I have all the parts in the back too, including a body bag.
Is there a mount for the AK-47 for the top
I
of the
hope.
trunk?
Oh, new shocks, H&R lower springs. So all the
Yeah.
parts are here.
This is where you put your AK-47.
Yeah.
The mount right
Yes.
here.
Oh my
That's
God.
where
That'd
it
be
goes.
so cool.
Yep.
That'd be so cool. New idle control valve, control relay, minor stuff. Power antenna. We haven't really looked into it.
Just gotta change it.
Sunroof moves very slowly, and the dash bulbs are, But you should drive this thing. It's really nice.
The dash bulbs are like.
It's like on the right side. It's like it needs replacement.
God, this is very cool.
Yeah.
I've never seen one of these with a legitimate body
This is
kit
a real
before.
Zender body kit. That's what got me.
Yeah, I mean it's just the wide
the
body,
wheels.
the wide flares, and the
wheels.
wheels. Yeah, that's what got me too. If this had stock wheels and no body kit, we wouldn't even be talking.
So everything is
No, you're right.
everything's original. Yeah, it'll look so different if it had no body kit. But the Zenders were like the Koenig. You remember Koenig back in the day?
Sure,
So
of
the
course.
Koenig, so these were the RWBs from the past, from the 70s.
There's nothing
and
weirder
80s.
than a Koenig Ferrari.
Oh man.
The strangest looking
Oh, it
things.
is.
These this generation Mercedes, when you make them wider like this, it really makes them look much more
totally,
aggressive.
totally gangster. Yeah.
Because otherwise they look a little like weak comparatively to
Love the
anything
little
newer.
wheels up touch.
I gotta take that out.
No.
No, we're gonna leave
The
that.
thing that I would like to do is you have to reseal the 3-piece.
Yeah, because
So-
it's falling. It's falling. Oh, yeah.
because they're new. So in a couple of days, this tire is gonna go out. I mean, it's gonna lose air because these are original 3-piece.
Yeah.
So you have to reseal them. It hasn't been resealed since.
Oh my lord, does that look mean?
Yeah, I mean, this.
Wow.
This is.
Like you just in video, like I mean, it just you don't.
It just needs lower fogs. Let's go drive it.
Yeah. Please.
Hold on.
It looks so long. I cannot believe how long that car looks.
It's a long car.
Oh, it starts right up. Power's from here. Oh, look! Jesus, the thing rockets the seats back.
Dude, I told you.
Look at this, like.
It's big.
Oh,
It's a yacht.
Oh
I
yeah,
love it.
totally. Oh yeah. How are those brakes?
Go ahead. Try it.
Oh, they stop it eventually.
Well, yeah, that'll work. Oh, this is so.
It's smooth, bro. Trust me.
This is so what I was driving in, man. Like
You remember?
sitting about-
Nostalgia, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm like, oh my god, I've never been in a Mercedes. I'm like, isn't it illegal for Jews to be in Mercedes? I mean, it's like you can't believe all that,
It's like
Jimbo.
it's like Friday Shabbat Shalom time. That's,
Oh, that was a good one.
That's rubbing really bad.
Just you have to avoid potholes and divots.
And like
And cracks.
and moving. anything that makes it move. We could pop up that suspension a little bit.
good. It's
But
all
I like-
brand new.
But I like the gangster look better. That's really.
Oh no, this is extremely gangster. I actually think you should tint the windows more.
Yeah, I think so too.
You need 5% limo and 35
I
on the
did it
windshield.
like this so it's cleaner. It looked cleaner.
No, but you can see it.
Yeah.
Is that rubbing?
That's rubbing.
Oh.
That's like I said, because it's those fenders.
Yeah, but it's the inner liners. It's not hitting the. It's not hitting the.
No, it's not hitting the fenders.
Body
Yeah,
kit.
yeah. I mean, who lowered their cars back in '87 for an S-Class, a saloon?
Yes.
Why wouldn't you?
Only the Yakuza would do that.
Only the people in Russia.
I love it. As soon as you said I'm going to name it Go-Go Yugari,
Right?
I'm like,
You got it?
I'm like,
You
I
got
bought
it,
the
right?
car. Oh, of course I did. Did you see my response? KBOG,
You know, yeah.
Kill Bill Original
Oh,
Gangster.
yeah, for you, man.
Yeah.
This guy's funny. You're gonna set it on fire, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna set the car. Oh my god, I'm gonna set the car on fire.
That's awesome. Oh my god, that stinks.
Well, I can tell you.
fuck.
Oh god, I can tell. You,
No, I'll burn the seat.
no, I.
Dude.
Is there? Yeah.
Oh no.
I can tell you the cigarette lighter does work.
And look how clean the cigarette, whatever, right? No one has smoked in it.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Dude, it smells like straight up lighter fluid.
Like that's an old school.
It smells
way.
like they dipped in an Armor All to clean it.
Jesus.
All right, here we go. We'll get a little speed and see the handling.
This was the cruise.
The handling. How many miles on this, Jebo?
Yeah, we gotta kill someone. Hurry up.
66. I got it almost. I got it to what? 75%
Yeah.
of its
No, but
max speed.
When you're cruising, this cruise is so nice.
Yeah, because it just floats.
Yeah.
It's like being in a wraith without the wraith.
Well, kinda. Without the rub.
Yeah. But this thing, you understand this car cost $2,000 more than the windshield on my Wraith.
This one?
Yeah. All right. We are definitely going to love this today. This is insane. So we're actually, check this out. We're live streaming and filming at the same time. You get to see it twice. So Jimbo has this beautiful V12 S600. Just gorgeous car. I actually am jealous of this car.
He tried to buy it back from me.
I actually wanted it. Yeah, I know. It's like, okay, what do you need it for? Well, that's not a matter of need. It's a matter of just, I want it. So, but I loved it so much, I just said, you know what? I'm going to go out and I'm going to get my own gangster saloon car.
Oh, it's coming
So that's exactly what I did.
out. It's coming out. Jeez.
And here comes my gangster car.
Look at this. Look at this.
I want to drive it first.
Look at this. Look how proper this Benz looks. Oh yeah. 2JZ, no shit.
This is a gangster mobile. Total gangster mobile.
The only faster version of this car was they had the 560. So this is the lower tier V8, but it doesn't matter because look at the body there. It's hung up. Now look at the suspension. Oh my god. What are you talking about? Seat?
Oh my god.
It looks like it's on bad.
There it is. Yeah. Hey, at least you know you're in reverse.
Excuse me, Mr. Mr. Chairman.
That's adequate.
The car needs a few things. Like it's gonna need, honestly, the interior needs to be gone through. The leather could use a reconditioning. You got some speakers missing, but it's got 150,000 miles on it.
Honestly, for this
You
car
know,
being this
something-
old, that's not bad.
And you know,
Yeah, he put a
it needs a few
stereo in.
things, but this will run for a while, even though the
stock
transmission
speakers,
wants to send you into another dimension.
Yeah, that's a
when
little
you
scary.
when you put it in reverse.
This car needs an absolute murder out tint. 5% limo, 35% on the windshield.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Yeah. So basically you can't see anything on the inside. Look like a total gangster. We could just throw it on bags.
Ooh, dude.
I think if you drive a car
AccuAir?
like that, it needs to be just static. Like
Yeah,
you need to
but
get stuck on railroad tracks.
No, I just put
That's a rare body kit. You don't want to
put
damage
scrape on the plate.
Put scrape and then put it on bags and just weld drag blocks on it so you air out on the highway. Drop the
You
ass.
know what?
Yeah. Yep.
We should make a lot of the lowrider type, you know, that kind of the stickers, but just make them really funny, like, you know, Savage Sled.
Yeah. Slab.
Savage hood.
The
You know, like
Oh,
the ones
sa-
that go across,
I
like
got
the
it. The
plaque in the
savage-
back, Savage hood or
Savage
something.
slab.
Savage slab.
You're gonna follow?
Yeah, I'll follow.
Oh, that's a
you
mob
can,
right there.
You can go. Oh, dude, we're gonna mob. I mean,
Yeah, I figured we're gonna mob out there.
That's like a perfect plan, I think.
oh my god. Oh my god, he's putting. That's just putting it in reverse. That's the best thing I've ever seen. Still more reliable than his Maserati. Oh my. According to Jebo, previous owner, there's a leak in them. They're not sealed properly. They gotta be resealed. I mean, they're old wheels, makes sense. But either way, how do you like the Luxo barge? It rubs good.
I like it. It's a slab.
Well, we will see you guys next time, and we'll have these two on the channel momentarily very soon. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Reverse.
Not good.
Oh yeah. Dude, I got a video of this from behind at the stoplight of you. Oh my god,
Yeah, I know, I was going-
it
I
looks
was
like it
trying
was
to
on
get reaction.
hydraulics.
Dude, I love how when I did that, then the oil went all the way up to 3 and stayed there
No way,
for
really?
the next like 2 minutes.
That's funny.
Because I kept going back and forth.
All right, let's go. It says it's 103 degrees outside. That's interesting.